Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this no tape. No tape. I ain't got none of this, It's only glue, markers, and scissors, and paper, and stuffing. It's supposed to be biscuit, so yeah. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, so let's think of what we can make. So I made this just because I thought I was going to make a pillow, but it turned out to be cute if it was biscuit. So I'm going to go look in my fridge and see if there's a good idea, and then I'll come back and report what I found that I think I might enjoy making. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I kind of lied about cleaning up a little bit. I got instructed on trying to find how to make a calendar, but yeah, I did my hack, and I actually thought of Sour Patch Kids because I thought like, wow, that's awesome. So actually on my computer I have a picture pulled up, so yeah. So I'm going to be making the basic Sour Patch Kids, and I cut this up and made it littler because I don't want to color everything yellow. So I am just cut it out littler. So it's going to be this big. Make sure you cut out a centimeter or like an inch bigger than you actually want it to be, because then it will look like it's not professional, and it will look more good if you do that. So next I'm just going to color it. So I don't know if I should speed this up or not. I'll probably talk a lot, so I don't think I'll speed this up. But anyway, I'm coloring it yellow. You can color whatever color you want. I am doing the normal Sour Patch Kids, and it has yellow and green on it. So let me just color this. I'm using these fancy brushes, so it makes it easier to color. See? You can color last, but my mom doesn't like getting the yellow the dirtiest, which has already been a little dirty when I color with it. So I kind of have to be a little careful, and I don't want it to be super black. So okay, so then once I'm done with that, so now it kind of looks like a bag of Lay's, but it's not. So next I'm going to take this light neon green. Basically, they just have some at the corners, but they just like have these little spaces where like you open or when it's closed, open in the bottom and stuff. So I'm just going to make that detail because I think that makes it really cute. And so yeah, I'm also going to be adding a face, but it's going to be like a sour face, but it's going to be like, ah, that was too sour, why did I take a bite? So I'm going to add that face down here. It's kind of having a good time, but it's like kind of sour, so he's kind of freaking out. He's like having a good time, but freaking out at the same time. Okay, so after that, it has the neon green again, and that's when it says sour. I'm not going to add all the little people this time, as it does on the package, but I'll add most of them. So if you hear any background noises, like I always say that. Okay. Okay, so then it's outlined it in black, and it actually has the people around it, but I don't have the effort to do that. So I'm just gonna add a few people. So yeah. So this is Sour Patch. So right now it's just the Sour Patch. So I'm gonna copy. Oh, I feel like that guy right now. It was sour. I don't know why I didn't have any Sour Patch Kids. Okay, so this one's gonna be a little smaller. It's just gonna be like, sour, don't eat it. And this guy didn't listen. He ate it. It's the ultimate. It's the extreme one, but I don't have enough room to put extreme. Like that. And I'm gonna add that red guy that's like waving at us on the package. So he's a little darker red. So he just has this little, so let's add his face. Oh, these are extremely easy. These guys are pretty easy to draw. So basically what I did, I'll show you how to draw another one. I'm going to make a little blue guy at the top. So basically all you have to do is first draw the like round kind of edge. I don't know how to explain it kind of. Those eyes are kind of weird, so I'm just going to put those in. That makes them look a little weird. But basically, you just take the next color, and I'm going to add them, and then I'm not going to show you to do the body. Basically, you just add these little guys, and then you add the top. You just, for the round edge, you just kind of like go in, and then you go in like that, and then you just go in, and he's like waving at you. For those eyes, I'm just going to take a darker blue because I didn't have the dark red. So now for the last guy, he's going to be, let's make, I can't do yellow, I'll do orange. He is going to be over here, so he's going to have that face like I showed you. And then for the body, you just make him round and then color him in. My sister is going to love this one because she loves Sour Patch Kids. Okay, so after I've done that, I am going, so this is how it turned out. It's so cute. I've never thought I was going to do this. But next, I'm just going to make a little slots at the corners. To make the one up here, you just open it and put it like that. You can do the back, but then you'd have to, it would be a little harder. So next, what you do is you turn them, and so you turn it like out like this. Oops. Then you just turn them, you fold them in. Just like that. The back's a little hard because you don't know how big the size is going to be. I'm pretty accurate. So basically you just turn it over till the black line appears. This guy I have to be a little more careful about because I want that red guy to be in there pretty well, and I kind of drew him kind of close to the black line. Just do that till all the folds are the way you want them to be. Just going to snip that fold, a little bit of that fold off, and then basically after you do that, you pick which side you're going to stuff it with. I'm probably going to pick this side up here. So next, I'm just going to glue those down, and then I'll have to wait, so I'll have to sign off for a bit, but then I'll come back when it's all dry. The thing about these squishies is that you gotta wait till they dry before you stuff them. So I just put a little bit of glue on that. I'm just pushing those down right into them. It's okay if you need to trim it, because I apparently do. And then you just wait till this dries. It is so cute. Of course you can keep it open and not make it into a squishy, but that's not what I do. So yeah, I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to clean up a little bit, and I'll be back and ready for when to make this into an actual squishy. Okay guys, I kind of lied about cleaning up a little bit. I got instructed on trying to find how to make a calendar, but yeah, I didn't find a video. So yeah, basically I am I'm trying something new. I've actually tried it on other squishies, like this one that you saw in the beginning of the video. Actually I have in this one, and it's actually turned out to be super squishy and super slow rising, so I'm using it again. So I'm just going to cut up this. I don't remember if I told you guys before, but sorry if you hear any background noises. My parents are working outside, and they did not have the time to turn off the kitchen speaker, so yeah, sorry if you hear that. Maybe I should just turn on my own music. You guys can listen to that. Said that I like it, but like you probably guys don't. It's not like 2020 music. Okay, so next I'm just going to take this stuffing I just cut up, and then I'm going to place it in the Sour Patch Kids packet, who knows what it's called anymore. Once you think you've got enough, make sure you stuff it, and then test it. It's not all the way up here, so I need to cut more. If you don't know what this stuffing I'm cutting, it's basically these like towels I found in the other room. I had them in my bathroom, and so if you go look in your bathroom or ask your mom if you have these, you could also use paper towels, toilet paper, anything else, but I didn't have any plastic bags like I usually stuff mine with because I ran out, so I have to just wait till the next grocery run, and I'll have to use these from now on until the grocery run comes back. Okay, so now I'm just going, if you get any more plastic bags, like, I don't know, from somewhere. You can also use paper scraps if you don't have anything that your mom will let you use, or dad, if you live with your dad, or your mom, or your family, because I live with all my moms and dads, and I only have 2, so yeah. Okay, so I think this is pretty squishy. I'm gonna add it I'm just gonna finish off the towel. Actually, no, it's getting kind of hard, so I'm not gonna do that. Make sure that you don't get it super hard, because if it does, it won't turn out right. So this is the hard part. Basically, you have to kind of pinch it, but then you have to glue it at the same time. So like that's why I don't want to add too much, because this part will be really tricky if you do that. And then you just glue it in. If you can't get it right, just pull up the glue stick and put it like that. And then make sure the thing's put back there, and then you just, and then I think that was enough glue to seal it, but I didn't have enough. So this is how it turned out. It's kind of miniature, and it's so cute though. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as I always say, have a great day. Bye!